Hi, to customize M button on your Marshall Monitor III A.N.C, as a first step, let's find this button. So you can find it if you just take a look at your right earpiece. Here you would see this black button and the letter M in it, which is basically M button. And to customize it, we would need to go in this Marshall Bluetooth app and make sure that your headphones are connected to this app. Now simply scroll down so you could see this M button section. And now we can customize this button as we want. With a single tap, we can enable Spotify, for example. And here we can see that to start the music, we would need to press it to start playing music. And to change the music, we need to press again, and so on. We can switch to equalizer, and here we can check some on-screen instructions as well. We can enable soundstage, voice assistant, and do nothing, so we can disable this button at all. Let's select voice assistant and check it. I'm gonna just tap the button once, and now voice assistant is enabled. So here is my Siri. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.